Hi guys, how are you? Hope that you are fine. In today's video, I will share 7 amazing Notepad tricks. If you are using Windows for any part of time, then you probably know about the Notepad. In fact, Notepad is one of the most popular applications to deal with the text files. However, Notepad can be used for much more than a simple text file manager. You can use it to do some crazy things to annoy or freak out your friends and family. So, without further delay, here are some of the best Notepad tricks that you can try right now. Let's get started. Open your Notepad. Then go to Format, and open Font. Here in this list you can search for some amazing fonts. Let's try Webdings. You can select the perfect size for you, and OK. I am pressing some random letters. Here are some cool characters for you to make your document more expressive. You can try them. Now, let's try Wingdings. That is also cool. You can discover more characters by changing the fonts. You can find more characters. Now let's make it normal for regular use. That's looking fine. Hope you liked this trick. Open the Notepad and type .log in uppercase. Then save the document with any name. Close and reopen the file. Now you can see it has mentioned the date and time when we opened this file. Here we can write our daily happenings just like a personal diary. When you have finished, then save and close it. And again when you open it, it will again mention the date and time. Then again write something and save it and close. Now the time has been changed in this log. And that's it. Hope you liked that. You should try this right now. You can test your antivirus program for its effectiveness using this simple Notepad trick. Open your Notepad and copy and paste this unique code in the Notepad file. Then save this file with any name but with .exe extension. Then close the document and refresh your PC. And look, my antivirus software have caught it in the virus chest. Let's take a look. Look, here is my virus.exe file is present. It means my antivirus is very effective. Now, it's your turn. Check the effectiveness of your antivirus software. I will provide this code in the description. Hope you like that. Open Notepad and type this very simple batch script. So there is not so much to explain. Just follow my steps. I will also provide this script in the description. Then save the file with .bat extension. In my case, I saved it as matrix.bat. Close the document and run the batch file to see the matrix effect right before your eyes. It is really cool to see. You can use this trick in front of your friends. Now, I am making it more cool by adding some more commands. Now, look, it's looking more realistic. Have fun with it. Hope you liked it. Open Notepad and type this simple VBS script. Here I will type my first messages as much as I want to display. Then I will put the loop here, and it's done. Now we will save this file with the VBS extension. Now run this file. Here are the non-stoppable annoying messages which will not disappear. Now, in order to stop it, open the Task Manager and search for its icon. Here it is. Just end this task. This trick will not harm your computer. Hope you like it. Open Notepad and type this VBS script. This is the loop. This is the sleep time. Here we can type any message. In my case, I have written this. Then save this file with the same VBS extension. Here this file has been saved. Now close this. And I have opened a new file to show you how it works. Ran it. And look, it is continuously typing the message everywhere. It will interrupt in your other tasks. As you can see, it is irritating. So, to close it, press Ctrl-Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Open it and search for its icon. And end the task. Now the task has been ended. It has become normal. It will not harm your computer, but it can become irritating for you. So use it carefully. Hope you liked it. Open Notepad and type this batch script. Type S to shut down and R to restart. Put -C to convey a message before shutdown. We can also put -T to put the delay time in seconds. After you have done, save this file with .bat extension. Now, if I run this file, my PC will shut down after 60 seconds. Hope you liked it.